How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. If you have turned on your stolen device protection and now you want to turn it off, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, what you need to do is simply launch your settings on your device. From there, scroll down there, use the Face ID and passcode option, tap on it. Now enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, you will see this interface. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see stolen device protection. Simply turn it off. Now, you'll have to wait for 1 hour. Once your 1 hour is done, you are good to go. In this way, you can easily turn off stolen device protection, which you have set on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.